Today we are making a high protein raspberry smoothie that is honestly so delicious it tastes like dessert. My name is Aliana and welcome to my kitchen. I recommend freezing your fruit. This is what makes it a nice thick smoothie, and then you don't have to add ice to it. So the first thing that's going in is just half a banana that I've sliced up and it's nice and frozen. This is to add just a little bit of sweetness to our drink. And then I also have 1 cup of frozen raspberries. This makes it such a beautiful color. And I personally love the flavor of vanilla, so I like to add half a teaspoon of just vanilla extract. And as this is a high protein smoothie, my 2 protein elements are my Greek yogurt as well as some collagen. This is optional, adding in collagen, but I love it because it has a ton of protein, it helps keep me full for longer, and it's great for your skin, your nails, and your hair. So I'm just going to add in 2 tablespoons of my collagen, and that will add in 9 grams of protein. And the thing is, this is unflavored. I add this to my coffee in the morning, my matchas, my smoothies, even sometimes banana bread, and you can't taste it, which I love. Next, I'm adding in some Greek yogurt. This is just some full-fat Greek yogurt, and it's a 3/4 cup, and this adds in 15 grams of protein. It's also unsweetened, because we're already getting a little bit of the sweetness from the banana. Next, I'm adding in a 1/4 cup of almond milk. I am not saying buy this brand, but this is the brand I use because I love it. It has no gums or fillers in it, and a lot of alternative milks nowadays do have fillers, and this is the only brand I've been able to find that is just almonds, water, and some vanilla extract. And now it's time to blend our smoothie all together. So here we have our finished smoothie, and it is a really thick smoothie. If you like a thinner smoothie, you can always add a little bit more almond milk, but I personally love it. This tastes like a raspberry soft serve almost, but it's so healthy and full of protein. And I like to have this before I go to the gym or after a workout because it gives me some energy and it keeps me full. So I gotta say, it's absolutely delicious. It tastes like a dessert in a drink. Wow. So thank you so much for watching, and if you would like to see some more of my smoothie recipes, there should be a playlist right here or over here because I have more than 50 smoothie recipes on my page. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers!